Hello and welcome to Iconestry. Iconestry is about the latest fashion trends, travel, and wellness. Today's video is about preparing for a short haul with skincare products. On Sephora, I will be looking at small travel size cleansers and moisturizers that I can bring on the plane, and then I will be reviewing each one of them. One criteria that I have for those skincare products is that I want them to be clean. I will be looking at the different options from Sephora. The first skincare kit that I picked is the Ordinary Daily Set. You can see it's a low price point. It's for normal, dry combination and oily skin. You can see it contains the cleanser, hyaluronic acid, and the natural moisturizer. What I like about this set is that it's perfect size, 50 milliliters for the cleanser and 30 milliliters for the two other bottles, so I will be able to travel with this set. The next set that I picked from Sephora is the Origin bestseller set. You will see it contained the frothy face wash, the charcoal mask, Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Lotion, Anti-Aging Power Serum, and Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I look forward to trying this set. It is for normal, dry combination and oily skin. And I want to see the size. For travel, I need 100 milliliters and less. And yes, all those bottles are 100 milliliters and less, so that's going to be perfect for traveling. The last skincare set that I picked for traveling on a short haul, it's the Tatcha Plump and Dewy Duo. You can see the price point is a little higher for those two products. This is the gentle cleanser, it's a rice wash, and it's 50 milliliters. And the plumping bottle is looks small as well. You have the skin type. This one is for normal, dry, and combination. So I will be getting all of these three sets, and I look forward to trying all of them. I will be posting a review on each product coming soon. Subscribe to the Iconestry channel for new videos on the latest fashion trends, travel, and wellness. Click subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.